Hey! In front of me is HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, click on System. Now you need to select Languages and Input, then On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. After that, select Text Correction section and scroll down just a bit. Lastly, click on this sweater next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!